Alright, we spoke about the differences between pages and posts, and I know it might be a little confusing getting started here. So right now, let's go ahead and create our first page. Go into your administration console and click on Pages, and we'll see a list of current pages. I'm going to go ahead and click Add New here, and we get to the Add New Page screen. Now I want you to call your page Home. Just convention. You can call it anything you like, but stick with me and just call it Home. And let's say, welcome to our site. We are a company specializing in finding hosting deals. Now you can type a sentence that's more applicable to your domain or company or service. Remember, I called mine Host Daily Deals, so I'm just going to pretend that this is what I do. We scour the internet every day for the best deals and bring them straight to your inbox. And that'll be a sufficient page for now. So let's go ahead and click Publish. And it says it's published. Now let's go back to our website and refresh. And you can see that page is now shown up in my menu bar. And if I click it, it says welcome to our site. And there's the text that I'd specified. Of course, you would expect this site, your home page, to be the one that shows up at the beginning of this when you first visit the site. You don't want to see this Hello World blog post. You want the contents of this page to be the one that defaults first. So go down to your appearance and then choose Customize. And you're going to get a sort of a menu that looks like this on the left hand side with a little preview of your site on the right hand side. And find the option that says Static Front Page and drop that down. So it says this theme does support a static front page, and your front page or home page can either display your latest posts or a static page. And you notice it is displaying your latest posts right now. This was that Hello World post, and it was there under Recent Posts. We want to display a static page instead. So choose Static Page, and it's going to ask what is your front page. And I'm going to say my front page is that home page, that one I just added. And we'll click Save and Publish. Now let's refresh my page. And guess what? Now the home page is showing up. So when visitors come to hostdailydeals.com, that home page is now showing up. Excellent. Let's add a couple of more pages. So you can go to Pages and let's add New, and we'll call this one Services. These are the services we offer. Service 1, Service 2, Service 3. And we'll keep it pretty straightforward. You've got some formatting here. Let's make these a bulleted list. And we'll click Publish. I like to immediately go to my website, hit refresh, and we'll see, okay, we have home and services listed there now. And let's add another page, which will be, for example, maybe products. These are the products we sell, P1, P2, and P3. And let's make that a bulleted list. And I'm sure you could appreciate this is just kind of placeholder text just to give you a sense of where they fit in. Let's publish that. And we go back to our website, hit refresh, and that shows up now. It's almost starting to look like a website in terms of, you can see you got the home page, which is what is coming up by default. We have a products page, we have a services page, we can go back to the home page, and we had the about page from before. So starting to look good. You're seeing pages and they're all showing up here, and the home page is showing up by default. So your site is starting to take shape. So as an exercise, go ahead and create a couple of pages that you think represent your company, and that you would typically see on a website. Just go ahead and create those, put some temporary content in there, and see that it's starting to show up properly as you would expect a website to look like. So it's going very well, and I think our next lecture we need to start changing the way this website looks.